Hey YouTube, it's Jordan. I've got an unboxing for you guys today. I'm pretty excited because I have got this crappy 7-year-old keyboard, and it sounds like this. So late at night when I want to be on the computer, my parents know exactly what I'm doing. So I thought that I would get one of the brand new keyboards. The ones, how much was it? $49.99. This is the wired one because my computer, as you can see, is the snowball one, whatever you want to call it. It won't, I don't think, do wireless, or it won't do it very easily. If you guys know about that and you could comment on it, that'd be great to let other people know about it. But the requirements on this is the version 10.4.10 or later. You can use it in the 1.1 or 2.0 USB port, so which I can use. I don't think I have a 2.0, but okay guys, I'm going to open this. I'm excited. Oh, and I didn't get a new mouse. I'm still stuck with the one without a scrolly ball. Darn. I think this box is Jordan proof. Okay. How nice is that? That is amazing. It comes with a little Apple keyboard guide, I guess. Who needs a guide to work with a keyboard? But I might need it, so I'll store it back in here. This might be an extender of some sort. Yes, possibly. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, here's this compared to this. How much thinner is that? Can you guys see it? Hope so. And then it's going to be the same, basically. Well, not really. You've still got your F1 through F12 keys. They're just combined with some other ones. Look at that. It's so much smaller. It looks so much nicer, too. I'm excited. Okay. Unwrap it and plug it in. See how it works. It says, use software update to install the latest keyboard software. So let's see what that means for me. Remove all plastic so nothing will catch on fire and ruin your beautiful Mac computer. Okay. Goodbye. Oh wait, my mouse. Kind of need that. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, I've got Word up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, let me plug it in. Okay, mouse is working. Oh my gosh. Okay, you hear the difference between that and that. Oh, and not to mention, this keyboard was going. It was hurting my hands to type a lot, you know, because I'm on the computer so much. Little springy things are toast, so the whole reason I was getting a new, keyboard wasn't because it was loud, but because it's hurting my hands to type. And also I'm hoping to get a MacBook, or a Mac Mini, hopefully, in the near future sometime, so, this is amazing. Really like it. If you guys have a keyboard like mine, ditch it. Get this one. So, that's about all I've got for you guys tonight. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and post them. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye.